I see blue sky over there. Got that tail a going, don't you? It's okay, it's okay. He's just laying there flat. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where you running? It's okay. That trailer is gonna make that noise on the gravel. Oops. You are too funny. So, I'm not down with that binkity 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 binkity. I don't care what it is. You gonna stop anytime soon? Stop! It's okay, Freddie. Oh. Okay. Hit my elbow on the van mirror. It's okay. I know you don't do loud noises well, but it's okay. It's okay. You gotta be dragging the spiders and stuff. You are too funny. You know, Aunt Shirley's about to come out the door. Okay, walk over. Door. That was that.